Allie, shush. Hey guys, it's Lindsay. My name's Lindsay. If you're new here, I'd love you to subscribe. But this is going to be a vlog about our road trip to Halifax to get my sister from school. So we're driving there now. Start of a long journey. Already like an hour into the trip and I'm starving, so I'm eating my salad. It's kind of raining outside. This is Canada in April. Hey guys, we're somewhere in Quebec now. I'm gonna get a coffee. Driving during the night. Yeah. See you guys later. So we're in the middle of like some weird thing. There's giant trucks and there's a lot of them, so I'm guessing people are sleeping. And there's a lot of snow. I hate Canada. Guys, look at the snow. There's literally like no snow.
There's a lot of snow here.
There's so much snow here. And look at all the trucks. Bad lighting, but I don't want to be off the roads. So we're at a stop now and here, but they're just getting coffee and breakfast, so yeah. So can you shut up? I'm gonna do my makeup now in the car with my mirror here. So yeah, I have to wet my beauty blender with water there. It's fun. Grace. We found her. Can I go see Grace?
Nice jeans. What do we get you some new jeans?
Do you want me to stay with you?
Yeah, obviously.
Oh, he's making me stay. Hi, Gracie. So we just dropped my mom off with my sister and we don't even get to say hi.
Start complaining now.
Maybe they want to be in my vlog because you don't.
Well.
But yeah, we made it to Halifax finally. We're going through like a parking garage or two. It's Grace. Hi. How are you?
For the vlog. It's for the vlog.
There's the laundry too.
Oh.
Just found that.
And there should be a garbage and recycling, eh?
It's a little sketchy.
You know. Keeps going. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
The back door. Where do you put your garbage, Gracie?
I don't know.
Okay, so that
There,
is going to be in the
there's a recycling there. There's a dumpster.
and a dumpster. Oh, okay. So
We're in Grace's apartment at the moment. Grace, I'm trying to vlog. So we're in Grace's apartment at the moment. She's trying to put, this is her apartment. Her shirt's
Show the fireplace.
She's really excited she has a fireplace.
But it doesn't work. But it's still cute.
But she's still happy because then she won't burn it down, because if she was allowed a fire, she'd burn the place down. We just blew up an air mattress. And then we're gonna go back to residence and then move her out and then so we're gonna move her out tomorrow, kind of. I'm gonna stay with her in her last night in residence. And then we're gonna go get booster juice and then go out for supper. Yep. I don't know how to vlog really, this is weird.
Look at the carpet. Show it in the vlog. I have an aesthetic now, guys. Look, I have a white carpet and the black poof.
This is a black poof.
And it's dark wood.
So
That's gonna look so good. It's what?
This is called shag,
Okay.
I think. Wait, Grace, your shirt.
You're so...
Why be racist, sexist, homophobic, or transphobic when you could just be quiet? Yeah, bitch.
Are you gonna start on your vlog?
I don't know. But I really want booster juice right now.
This is first, and you get the extra garnish to stick on.
So what exactly is this?
Gumbo. Sausage.
Like butter chicken kind of?
GAA wrap.
Hey guys, so no one's around, so it's okay to vlog. So we're walking through campus and we're going to residence because I'm staying with we stay in residence, and then the last night in residence, our parents are staying at the apartment. And then we're going home tomorrow. Yep, it was very quick. Hey guys, so I realized this is probably the worst time to vlog because I'm brushing my teeth, but we're leaving today, and we're gonna move Grace out of her residence because it's so messy right now. We'll say bye to our friends, and then we're gonna leave. So sorry if this is gross, but see you soon. Hey Grace, so she's got a lot of mess here.
I have to be out of here in about 2 hours too. Like, well, like I don't think they'd actually come and kick us out, but that's when I have to be out.
So we're cleaning now. Soon. Downloading some movies on Netflix for the ride. Grace is vlogging.
Okay.
Grace, you have too much stuff.
Okay, so,
Stuff under there.
so
Also, do have to.
So I'm gonna show you Grace's apartment because this will add length and coolness to my vlog because it's boring. So we walk in, it's like a cute little aesthetic, like, you know, woodness looking thing. Yep. This is a closet. This is like the open space at the front. It's pretty cool because it's like an extra space. This is her friend's room. Nice wood paneling stuff. Pretty big, pretty nice, nice floors. This is the washroom. So, shower, the basics. This is mother. You saw in my last video. This is cool because this has, what's this called? Not sloughing. What's it called? The wood stuff. Paneling. Sure, it's called paneling. This is like a little living room thing. They have like a fireplace, which is really cute. Yeah, that. Yeah, the trim. Then they have cute little radiators on like under the windows. This is Grace's room at the moment. So she got all her stuff, her little emoji pillows there, a closet. And then here's the kitchen, which is pretty cool. They have a fridge, a table. They have a cute little pantry, which is really cute. And there's some covers up there. This is Grace's pantry. It's already full. Yeah. There's a sink, a dishwasher, which we don't even have a dishwasher, so I'm jealous. Toaster oven thing, and some things, and then this is the other pantry. Stove, little table, little plant already. I have like a fire escape, which is kind of fun. But yeah, that's their apartment. Hey guys, so I'm lying on the floor right now and waiting for them to go because we have a long drive ahead of us, and I don't know how long this vlog is going to be. I don't really have anything interesting to talk about, so but yeah, my sister said bye to her friends. We left her residence room, but it looks fun staying in residence because you're literally living with your friends, so I'm excited. Yeah, I'll update you guys when we actually leave.